If you're beginning to brush up on your Spanish skills, or maybe you just want to begin learning Spanish for the first time, this class will teach you numerous ways to do this, some that you may have never heard of before. And the great thing is, you don't need any previous experience to take this class. But if you know some Spanish, this will only help you improve your game. Learning a foreign language can be intimidating enough, but not knowing all the ways you can learn it can make it difficult to find what fits you best. Since each person learns a little differently, this class will give you several options, if not many, to make learning Spanish not only more fun, but also more tailored to how you prefer to learn. While the Spanish speakers in my family speak Latin American Spanish, I took Castilian, Spain Spanish, from 7th to 12th grades and have 16 college credits in it. From there, I started a business developing curriculum for and taught Spanish programs to 2-year-olds to adults. From this experience and training, I've learned that the more fun and diverse the training styles are, the more engaged the students are. That's why I wanted to share what I've learned with you. I've picked the favorites of my students, but also some of the methods that help the most in acquisition and retention of a foreign language. In this class, we're going to cover 6 ways to learn Spanish. What's your preferred learning style and how you want to use each of them? Choosing bilingual and/or immersion programs. Sounding more like a native speaker. Finding programs you can grow with. Locating conversational Spanish resources. And what might be holding you back and what can propel you forward to reach your goals. We're also going to apply this knowledge to our class project, which is a chart that you'll fill out as we walk through these lessons. This chart can serve as a roadmap for how you can start and stay motivated in learning Spanish. I'm excited that by the end of this class, you'll have new ideas on how to make learning Spanish more engaging and fun for you. There are 2 ways you can take this online class. One is on Skillshare.com and the other is on Udemy.com. You can find the links in the description below. I hope to see you on either platform so I can see what you've learned and answer any questions you have.